Today, Saft is recycling more than 75% of total weight of the batteries that we receive in our facility. And tomorrow, to be in accordance with the European regulation, we will be reaching 80% of recycling material.
Sustainability is one of the core values for Saft. Today, Oskarshamn plant used the same amount of energy as it did 30 years ago, even though we today produce 6 times more batteries.
The benefits to recycle a battery is to decrease the raw material used in the battery and the dependence of importation of raw material of countries outside Europe. In Oskarshamn factory, all the batteries discharged in our facility, the energy that comes out from this battery, it is used again in the production to generate more batteries. Recycling batteries help us to decrease the carbon footprint of our products. We're reducing 4% per year the CO2 footprint by 2030.